Ready to ditch store-bought lip balms and make your own? Let's dive in. Imagine having a lip balm that's tailored to your needs, free from unnecessary chemicals, and made with love. It's easier than you think, and the results are incredibly rewarding. Some say store-bought lip balms make your lips addicted, but that's not true. The issue? Many contain ingredients that don't truly lock in moisture, so your lips feel dry again soon after applying. This can be frustrating, especially when you're constantly reapplying without seeing lasting results. To keep lips soft and healthy, we need two things: protection from external factors and deep hydration to restore moisture. Let's break it down. First, we need to lock in moisture with a protective barrier. This is where natural waxes come into play. Beeswax, natural and breathable, prevents moisture loss. It's a fantastic base for any lip balm, creating a barrier that keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. Candelilla wax, a great vegan alternative, smooth and lightweight. It's derived from the leaves of the candelilla shrub and is perfect for those who prefer plant-based ingredients. Carnauba wax adds extra firmness and shine to your balm. It's harvested from the leaves of the carnauba palm and is known for its glossy finish. Now, let's talk about hydration and repair. Coconut oil deeply nourishes and fights dryness. It's rich in fatty acids and has natural antibacterial properties, making it a powerhouse for lip care. Shea butter, rich in vitamins, heals cracked lips. Extracted from the nuts of the shea tree, it's packed with vitamins A and E, which are essential for skin health. Jojoba oil mimics skin's natural oils, super lightweight. It's actually a liquid wax and is easily absorbed, providing long-lasting moisture without a greasy feel. You can also add essential oils for extra benefits. These not only add a pleasant scent, but also offer therapeutic properties. Sweet orange boosts circulation and has a fresh scent. It's uplifting and can help improve the overall appearance of your lips. Peppermint gives a cooling effect and plumps the lips. It's invigorating and can make your lips feel refreshed and tingly. Lavender, my personal favorite. It's soothing, healing, and smells amazing. Lavender oil is known for its calming properties and can help repair damaged skin. This is my go-to blend for soft, shiny lips. You'll need 2 TBSP beeswax, 1 TBSP coconut oil, 1 TBSP shea butter, and 5 drops lavender essential oil. Melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter using a double boiler. This method ensures that the ingredients melt evenly without burning. Stir in lavender oil, pour into containers and let it set. That's it. You now have a nourishing lip balm that's completely natural and tailored to your needs. Not only is this DIY lip balm effective, but it's also a fun and creative process. You can experiment with different ingredients and essential oils to find your perfect blend. Plus, making your own beauty products can be a great way to ensure you know exactly what's going on your skin. No more guessing about mysterious ingredients or worrying about potential allergens. So why not give it a try? Your lips will thank you, and you might just discover a new hobby in the process. Follow for more DIY beauty tips and tricks. Remember, the key to great lip care is consistency. Use your homemade balm regularly, especially before bed, to wake up with soft, hydrated lips. And don't forget to share your creations with friends and family. Homemade lip balms make wonderful gifts that show you care. Happy crafting, and here's to healthy, happy lips. Follow for more DIY beauty tips.